Hey, have you ever wondered if there's a secret to melting fat quickly without crazy diets or endless workouts? Well, the answer might already be in your kitchen: protein. But this isn't just the usual eat more chicken advice. We're talking about how protein tricks your body into burning fat faster. If you're ready for a simple science-backed approach to see real results without giving up your favorite foods, you're in the right place. Let's break it down. 1. Protein activates fat-burning mode. Your body moves into lean muscle-building, fat-burning mode when you increase your protein intake. Why is this noteworthy? Muscle is like a metabolic engine, burning calories even if you're simply lounging on the couch. You melt away more fat the more muscle you have. It's like having your body run constantly as a fat-burning machine. But suppose I told you that protein targets stubborn places rather than only aids in fat burning. Indeed, those areas we all detest: belly fat. Love handles all that are under attack. We are going to dissect how protein addresses these particular problem areas. 2. Protein targets stubborn fat. Ever notice how, regardless of what you do, fat appears to hang to particular areas? Protein performs its magic there as well. Enough protein helps control insulin levels, which helps stop fat storage, especially around the abdomen. Consider protein as your body's key, unlocking its capacity to burn through that obstinate fat. When protein is on your side, belly fat is not as strong as you might believe. But wait, the ability of proteins to burn fat goes beyond merely lowering fat content. Imagine if I said you could maximize the benefits of protein by just changing your eating style. We will get into that next. 3. Timing your protein intake. It's when you eat it, not only what you consume. The speed at which your body loses fat can be much influenced by timing your protein intake. Studies reveal that eating protein first thing in the morning can boost your metabolism and maintain it blazingly active throughout. Starting your day with a high-protein meal signals your body to start drawing on fat reserves for energy. It's like giving your metabolism an early jolt that maintains action even during rest. But don't assume it's only about meals. Your protein intake can be hacked subtly to keep fat burning all night long. Indeed, even while you are asleep. Watch this space for that stunt. 4. Great protein sources for quick fat loss. Regarding fat reduction, not all proteins have equal effect. Lean, high-quality proteins such as chicken breast, fish, eggs, and plant-based sources like lentils and quinoa should be your main emphasis. These low in calories and fat yet high in protein foods can help you burn fat most effectively. They also help control cravings, which prevents you from grabbing for bad snacks. The interesting twist is that protein doesn't necessarily come from food. One more source can boost your fat-burning capacity. Could you drink your way to lose weight with protein? Indeed, protein shakes can be your friend in losing fat. Stay around to pick up proper use of them. 5. Protein shakes. Protein shakes are a simple, effective way to boost fat burning, and they're not just for gym goers. Whether as a post-workout recovery drink or a meal replacement, protein shakes keep your metabolism active. The key is choosing shakes high in protein and low in added sugars. This helps your body burn fat quickly without extra calories. Plus, they're convenient for busy days. Now that you have the tools, how do you make this lifestyle work? I'll show you how to easily incorporate protein into your daily routine for maximum fat burning, without feeling like you're on a diet. 6. Including protein in your daily schedule. Consuming protein to melt fat is easy because it fits into simple daily habits. You don't need to completely change your diet. Start with scrambled eggs for breakfast, grilled chicken for lunch, and a quinoa and black bean bowl for dinner. Or add lentils and edamame to your meals. A quick protein shake after a workout also works. Including protein in every meal helps you avoid cravings, stay full longer, and keep your body in fat-burning mode. As you see results, protein will do more than help with fat loss. It will boost your energy and reshape your body. Curious how? Stick around as we dive into the long-term benefits of a high-protein diet. 7. Control of protein and appetite. Finally, the fact that protein helps to control hunger is among its finest features. High-protein diets have been demonstrated to drastically cut general calorie consumption and hunger. This is so because protein influences the release of hunger hormones and extends feelings of fullness. Including additional protein in your meals and snacks will help you avoid midday hunger that drives overindulgence. If you're looking to boost your protein intake, be sure to check out our next video on top 14 high-protein plant-based foods for a healthy diet. These options are not only nutritious, but can also help you achieve your fitness goals. Don't forget to share your protein success stories or questions in the comments below. Your engagement is truly appreciated.